Hello, this is Ripon Chapel, and in today's video, we will learn how we can make a esports and gaming website. So for making this website, we will use a WordPress theme that is called Playrex Esports and Gaming WordPress theme. So I will put this link in the description below. You can check it out too. First of all, you will have a pre-look here of this Playrex WordPress theme, and it is having beautiful 9 home pages with the white and dark versions also, and it is also RTL support. It is having also the RTL support. So for the language, it will be not a barrier to purchase this theme. Now we'll have a look on this price. This theme is going on price right now. It is going on 27, and the regular price is also 39. So it is going on a super duper offer, so you can take it out too. And it is having their own documentation. It is fully responsive, and as you can see here, the dark and the light version preview here with the dark and light version things. And it is having you can make it for a dynamic style, like for multiple purpose you can use it. And also it is having also some beautiful header. As you can see here, unique headers are available also, and the light headers are available also, and unique footers also, as you can see here. And you can use this theme for your blog website with the dark version, as you can see here. And it is having also some awesome inner pages about a space, pricing page, and match details, team details, and player details, tournament details, and FAQ page. You are having shop page for selling your instrument things that are necessary for the gaming setup, so you can sell that too uh, if you use this WordPress theme. And a lot of things that are included inside it. So I will have a look now that how it will be look if we use this theme for our own gaming and esports website. So let's take have a look here. So okay, this is the first homepage, and you can see the slider here. That is awesome, and it's loaded beautifully. And here is the versus game that are available here. As you can see here, the previous match that has already happened, and new game that will be launched in every month, and you can book it. And in here there is a awesome counter, and here is the team players with that sliding style. So it's beautiful here. And here is one of the best thing is it is having also the pricing plan, and the tournament schedule. You can set here that how when this tournament will happen, and the blog post it is having. And it is most importantly, it is having, you can see, the home 1 light version, home 2, then the home 2 light version, home 3, then the home 3 light version. And there is also home 4, as you can see here, home 5 also. It has come with the recent update. You can have a look also this one with home 4, home 5, and home 6. Also you can check out the home 2 and home 3, and there is also 2 light versions here that are available for this theme. And you are having an off canvas, as you can see, a nice off canvas, and it is super duper responsive. You can check it in your mobile too. And this is the home 4 with the layer slider, as you can see, with beautiful options available with the super duper images that you can use for your theme also. And here's a pop-up. You can give your YouTube videos here on the home 4, and Twitch also, as you can see here, and the message, and the team members are available also. And you can sell your products to here, like mouse or gaming pad or the headphone, and the other things that you can sell from here. And this is the home 5. You can see it's beautiful now. This is having a contact us things also. And here's the home 6. Home 6 is basically the blog based home page, home 6. So you can check that out too. And here is the home 2 light version. No, this is the black version, not the light version. There is also a light version available. And here is the home 3, as you can see. So if we purchase this theme, we will make our website, it will be look like this. and it is having the shop pages, as you can see here, the shop pages, shop details page, cart page, checkout page, and also the wish list page, and a blog page and a contact page. We'll see each and everything that how we can make all of this into our own that we are making for now. So here's the website that we are having right now, and we'll try to implement the same to same, like the home page is this one, so we'll try to make it as same as possible now. So if you download this theme, then you will get a file here. If I go here in I have already downloaded it, so it will be like this, Playrex final, and you have to set up your WP, and from WP you need to go appearance, then click on themes, and from here you need to extract this Playrex final file, you need to extract here, and after that you need to go inside, and here 4 files will be available: demo data, documentation, Playrex, and Playrex child. And the Playrex.zip, this one is the main theme file, and you need to click on add new theme and click on upload theme, and you can choose file, click on here choose file, and you can go inside this file and choose the file and click on open, then you can click on install now button. So the theme have been successfully installed. We need to click on the activate button now. Yeah, so as you can see, the theme has been successfully activated, and there's the plugin that we need to install here. And one more very important thing before doing anything, you need to go here tools, and you can check the site health, and in the info button and in the media handling, sorry, yes, uh, in the server, sorry, in the server you will see the PHP version and SA API, then the max input variables, then the time limit. You must have to set it like this, or a bigger version that are available for your host. Otherwise the demo import can not happen properly, like the post max size and the upload max size. This has to be like this, or the maximum that your website can support. And after checking that, you need to increase that file. Then we will click on here begin installing plugin, and we will select all the plugins, and it is having layer slider, that is a premium plugin. I will click on install and click on apply button. Then all of this plugin will be installed. You need to wait a little bit there. So all the plugin has been successfully installed. Now I need to click here return to required plugin installer, and again I'll select all the plugins, and I'll click on activate here and click on the apply by button. Okay, it is saying that one of the plugin is invalid. No need to worry now. So I will just click on activate button here again, and maybe the Elementor prompt will come right now, as I said now. So I'll just cross it. I will not do anything here. And again, I need to activate the plugin because that action was not implemented there. I will select these two plugin and click on activate again. Okay, and click on return to the dashboard. And again a prompt comes, so I'll click on here not right now. And if I go here and give a refresh, then we'll see a prelook of our website that we are having, as you can see here. So if you just install the theme, the look will be like this, and you will have a beautiful page here with the blog and blog details. So you can use it for your blog post also by this. Now I will go here in appearance, then click on the import demo data, and as you can see here, we are having two demo. One is Playrex main demo, and one is Playrex RTL demo. So we will not go for the RTL demo right now. We will go for this demo. This Playrex RTL without RTL, that is LTR. So I'll click on import demo button here, and after that I will click on here continue and import. Then it will take some time to import your content. Till then, please wait. After few minutes, your demo import process will be completed. Now we will go here in here and we will give a refresh now that how our website is looking right now. So okay, here's it has generated some errors. Here the icon is too big, so we'll reduce that. We'll check the Offcanvas. Yeah, it's working perfectly. And here's the slider, and most of the other things, as you can see, only the icons it gets a little bit big. Otherwise most of the things are fine. So for fixing this error, we need to do something. So after completing the demo import, we need to do some works first. So for doing that, we'll go here in Elementor, then settings, then in the permalink sections. In the permalink section, we'll click on here the post name, then we'll select, we'll click on save changes button. So the permalink flash is done. Now we will go here in Elementor, then in the settings. After that, we will check this to the disable default colors and disable default fonts and click on save changes. Then from the settings in the feature tab, we will go in bottom and inline font icon. It will be inactive, and I will click on save changes. Now if I go to the front end and give a refresh, then you will see the icon has been fixed perfectly. And if I go to the shop page, the URL, as you can see here, the URL has been changed. Here the shop 2 URL has come, so the main URL will be the shop 1. If I go here, and you will see the product. Now in here there is also one error that has been generated, that is here you can see the add to wish list button that is not in the perfect place here. So for fixing this error, there is another things that we need to do here, that is we'll go on here TI wish list, then you can see the export import settings. The settings is not configured correctly, that's why that error was showing. So we'll go into the demo data, then we'll extract this file, and inside the demo data file we'll go to the wish list, and you can see the TI wish list, this one. So we will just drag and drop it and paste it here, and after that we'll click on import button, and then I'll click on the save button again. And if I go to the shop page and give a refresh, then you'll see that error also gone successfully. Now I will check that. Okay, now I'll go to the pages here again, and in here you will see the two shop pages, two checkout pages now. So the one that is having is the latest one in this theme. So if I just click on add to cart button, and it has been successfully added to cart, and we will click on the view cart, then you will see something like this. This error will be generated in the cart page. So what I need to do is I will delete this checkout page, this cart page that are the latest one, because this latest one is not the perfect design for this theme. So we'll go to the backdated one, and if I just cart and if I just move to trash, that means I have deleted successfully. Now what I need to do, we need to go on WooCommerce, then the settings page, then in the account, and then in the advanced, you see the checkout page, that is the cart page, actually the cart and checkout that we have deleted, so we need to reset it again, and the checkout page that also need to be reset, so we need to select it again, checkout, and the my account page you can change it also. So after making changes, I'll click on the save changes button, and if I go to the cart page and give a refresh, then you will see the real one that we are using in our theme. So from here, I will click on the proceed to checkout button, and you will see the checkout button that we are recommend that you can use. You can also use the latest one, but in that case you need to write some CSS for fixing the errors that are having. So this way you can set up your shop and other things in this theme. And we are having the blog page, and if I go to the blog page, then you will see it like this, with the video, with again the video, then some things also, and with the slider options here that are available. And now we will try to show you guys that how you can change the content of this theme so that you can handle all the things easily. So we'll talk about the header first. For making changes to the header, we have used a header builder and footer builder. If I go here in Playrex builder, then we are having header builder, footer builder, then tab builder, then menu builder, then the Offcanvas builder also. So I'll first go to the header and footer. It is having the same technology. So if you understand how the header is working, the footer is also the same way working. So if I go to the blog page, or in the contact page, or in the shop page, it is having the same header. As you can see, the header is not changed here, so that's why it names as a global header. So for changing this global header, you need to go here in Playrex options, then in the header part. Now from the header part, here's the header builder has been selected, and the number of header, that is header 3. So I can set it to header 1 also and click on save button. So if I go to the blog page and give a refresh, then you will see the blog page is like this. Now blog page header is like this, now like as the home page. In the contact us page, it also has been changed. So this means that it has been changed all over the website, except again I am saying that except the pages that is having a specific header. So from here I will set it to header 3 again and click on save button. So it is for the global page. Again it has returned to the header 3, and if I give a refresh, it will go on that. So for editing this global header, you need to hover on this edit with Elementor, and you can see here header 3. So if I click on it and open it in a new tab, then all I need to do is you need to click on here on the logo area, then you need to choose your own logo. If I click on here and go to the media library, and if I choose this one as our logo, boom, the logo has been changed. Now if I go to the menus and go to here, and if I set the alignment of the menu to center or left, and if I set it to the menu color to red and click on publish, then those changes will be available in our global header that we have just changed. As you can see here, the menu color has been changed, and if I go to the contact page, that also has been changed. So this is for the specific, this is for the global header. Now for the global footer, if I say like this is working as a global footer for the blog page, for the contact us page, for the shop page, it's all the same. Now what I need to do is I need to go here in the footer again, and you will see it is having the footer builder, and if you want to change it, then you can have footer 4 as a global footer and click on save changes button and check your changes in your website. As you can see, this one is the global footer. So it is having a menus area in bottom. So for fixing that, we'll hover on this edit with Elementor button, and we have select the footer 4 as our footer. So I will just click on here and open it in a new tab, and I'll remove this header as well because there is no work to do there. So in here, as you can see, you need to change the logo also, then you can change the social icon and the color, the things that you want to change from here. And now if I click on here in the columns, then if I click to the navigation menu, I just need to select the menu that I want to show. So I'll click on the footer menu, and it has come successfully, and I'll need to click on publish button. Then if I go here and give a refresh, then that changes have been made here successfully. So this way we can change the global header and global footer. Now I will go to the home one, and you can see the home one is using this header, or if I go to the home 2, then there will be a separate header also. So home 1 and home 2, these two are having separate header. Now if you want to edit this header, you can go here with edit with Elementor on hover, then you can select on here again with the header 1, and you can edit your header through this. So by making the changes here, you can have, like you can see the off canvas here also now. So by making the changes, and for the off canvas, like for the off canvas, you need to select the off canvas, and for changing the content of this off canvas, you need to go here in Playrex builder, then the off canvas builder, and here is the content area. That's the content is showing in here in this area. So if I click on edit with Elementor here again, then you will get the options to edit the sidebar content, this logo, then the text, then the social icon, then this. As you can see here, you will able to edit this content from here. So like if I want to change the logo, then if I set it to this icon and select it, as you can see it is not looking good, so I will give this one logo, okay, and click on publish. Then if I go and give a refresh and click on the Offcanvas menu, then you will see the changes here. So by that you can change your Offcanvas area too. But how this header has been set here? So for that you need to click on that specific page and click on edit with Elementor button. And then you need to click on here the page settings. Then you will get the options like this, header options and the footer options. So you will click to the header options, and in here you will select the header builder, then the header name, it is having header 1 now. Now if you select like header 3, then the header 3 will be available here for your website. Now I give a refresh here, then the header has been changed to header 1, as we have before we have made some changes here, that's why that also implemented here, okay. Now if you want to make some responsive changes, like you are having a mobile menu, as you can see, for the mobile menu you can change the mobile logo from here in the responsive view. Just need to click here and the mobile menu option change logo options will come, then you need to click here to change the logo. And this header menu, it is coming from here appearance, then you need to go here in the menus area, and we are having different header and menu. As you can see here, the primary menu is selecting as a primary menu and mobile menu also. If you create a menu here and if you don't tick here in display locations primary menu and mobile menu, then it will not show in this area or in the responsive area. If I go to the responsive area here and click on here, then in this area it will not show if you don't select it here in the primary menu and the mobile menu. So I think that you can successfully set the header and footer by following these things. Now after making the changes to the header and footer, you need to go to the breadcrumb area that are available for the blog post uh, or any other pages like pricing or messages. So this blog area, then the pricing area, it is having these things and these things. So this is also having two things. One is global breadcrumb area and one is a specific breadcrumb area. So I will check that how we can change the global breadcrumb area. So for checking global breadcrumb area, we need to go here in Playrex options, then on the page, then from here you will get these options here. And if I click on the upload button and select a bigger image, bigger image like this one, and click on select and save changes, you can have here no repeat or cover, you can change it to like you want. And if I go here and or in the blog page, if I refresh, then it will be implemented in here. It will be also available in the other page as well. But you are wanting that, okay, in the pricing page I don't want to show this breadcrumb image, I want to show other image. So then you need to click on here in edit page, So if you click to the edit page, then you will get this page meta, and from the page meta you will see these options. Show the area, you can show or hide it, and if you show it, then the global settings is always on. So I don't want to set the global one, I want the page settings here. So after setting the page settings, the breadcrumb image area option will come. You can add a new file here. So I'll choose a new file for that. I'll choose this one as our breadcrumb image, and I will click on save button. And if I view this page here, the pricing page, it has been changed, but in the masses page it is having the global one because I haven't changed it here. Now from here there is other options too, that you want to show the page title, or the what will be the page title, or do you want to show the this part, this specific part, the home and pricing sections or not. So you can make it like this. So I hope that you can change the global breadcrumb and the specific breadcrumb area for your theme in here. Now it's time to changes some content in our website, like this and this content and the other content as well. So if I go to the, we are having some post type here, as you can see here, the players, that is with the custom post type, and the teams, that is also with the custom post type. So the content you will see for the players and the teams that are available in here, you need to change it from here, these players and the teams, otherwise the changes will not work. Now if I go to the edit with Elementor button, and I will open it in YouTube to check the other one here. So I'll go in this page. Now if I go to the slider section and click on it, then I will see these options. Now what I need to do is I need to click on open project editor. This one is coming from the layer slider, that is a premium slider, what is almost $66, and the setting stuff will come. I will just cross it once, and I'll click again open project editor. And after that the editor has comes here. Now I need to change the content, like this, are you ready to. Okay, so this is title, so I'll click here, and you can see here, are you ready. You can see the changes here, are you going, or you can change the title to here, that for your next. So you need to change your content, change your content, and here is the title 3, you need to select and write your content here and click on the publish button. And after making those changes, as you can see, are you going, change your content, you need to click on here the publish button again, and your changes will be available on your live website. As you can see here, the changes has been made. Now you want to change the background image. So there is 3 slider in here, you can see the slider list. This one is the first one, this one is the second one, this one is the third one. So you can change it from here. And in the slide settings, here is the background image that you can upload, and again you need to click on here and you can change your image, and here is the third one. So by just seeing these things, you can change your content, you can change the title in mobile or in the desktop version as well, and you can change the hero shape it is having. So I'll just cross it. This is just a simple things that you need to drag and drop from your computer and make those changes for this. Now if I click on here, then this is coming from the Elementor. You just need to click on that specific sections and upload your images as you want. This one is also the same. This one also same. The most of the things are the same, but in here if I go to the Playrex box, then you need to select here. As you can see here, it is edit player match. So the player match is select your content, that is Asia Pacific, then rabbit star. So how you change this content now inside the content here, that is having here. So you will go on your home page and you need to hover on this, and you can see here area cup plus Asia Pacific, then the rabbit star, that is having, that are we are having in here. So I'll click on this rabbit star and I'll open it in a new tab. Now this is called the player match tab. Okay, so if I edit with edit that with Elementor, then the options will come to change the content from here. So I'll just click on here, and as you can see here, the player style one or the image positions, then the player image, you need to change it from here. As you can see, just click on it and make your changes. So by making those changes, you can, as you can see here, you can changes these sections. And if I go to the pricing plan is having some boxes, so you can change the content, you can change the price, you can change the book now button, and the other things as well. Now here's the schedule things. The schedule things is almost the same as this players changes we have just done. So if I click on here, then you will see the player box, and the select content, you will select the tournament schedule 1 2 3 4 5, the things that are available here. So you just hover on here, then you need to click on tournament schedule 1 2 3 4. Then after making those changes, you will see that changes in here also. Now this is the blog post, and this blog post is coming from this posters area, so you just need to make changes in here, then your changes will be applied in your home page as well. So if you can change these things in the home page, you can change it on about us page, or in the pricing page, or in the match page, and all the pages that are available, you can change it here. Now I will talk about the most important thing, that is contact. So in the contact page, we are having a contact form. Now I'll show you that how you can manage this contact form for your website. So I will edit here with edit with Elementor, and I'll just cross it the previous one. Now if there is any contact form inside our website, then we will go with edit with Elementor, and if I click on here again, and you will see the contact form 7 title contact page. So I will go on here, and I will go in contact, and you will see this contact page, and we are having a contact on the home 5, we are having another contact form, on the home 4 we are having another contact form, and as well as on the home page 2. I will show you that how you can change it to the contact page, so you can make it to the other home pages as well. So I'll click on the edit button, and in here you will see the things that are need to be changed. Like in the Ninja Warrior, you want to change this text now, so you just need to change it from here with the double quotation inside. You need to change it from there. Now you want that a full width another box will come, and in here you want some data from your client now. So I will just copy this one here, as you can see, and I will paste it here, and I will make it to call MD12, and I'll just in that div here. And if I suppose I want the number, okay, so the number I will make it to the text area. Otherwise, if I take the number field here, that will not will not work perfectly. So I will take the text form, and I'll click on the required field, and I'll set an ID, and I'll take the form control as a class attribute, and I will set it as a your number, and it will be placed as a placeholder text. Now I'll just copy this form from here, copy this, and I will paste it inside this. And if I click on save button, and if I give a refresh here in this page, so I need to preview here, your number, that field is also in here. So by this way you can make the changes that you want to do for your website. And also for the, this is very important, for making changes in here, if you click here, the options will not come anywhere. You need to enable this structure thing. So if the structure is not enabled, then you need to go to the sections and right over, then click on the structure, and inside that you need to extract all the things that are available. Then you can see this Google Maps, then you will get this option to change the maps zoom level and the height as well. After that making changes, you need to click on the publish button, and the changes will be on the live as well. So that's all. If you have any question that you are having, then please feel free to contact us through the support. I will try to solve all the possible way that I can help you. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.